Introducing the QUA-D Pure 4-in-1 Copper RO Water Purifier, a game-changer in your quest for clean and safe drinking water. This innovative appliance combines an impressive 10-stage purification filtration system with the health benefits of copper, ensuring that every drop you consume is pristine and packed with essential nutrients. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your purifier utilizes advanced RO technology to significantly reduce TDS, hardness, and harmful contaminants. With the ability to eliminate pesticides, heavy metals, bacteria, viruses, and protozoa, the QUA-D Pure guarantees that your family's health is protected. The UV and UF systems work in harmony to deactivate bacteria while retaining beneficial minerals, offering you optimal hydration without compromise. Convenience is at the heart of the QUA-D Pure design. With a generous 12-liter storage tank, you can enjoy an uninterrupted supply of purified water, perfect for hydration, cooking, and beverages. The automatic shut-off feature provides an additional layer of safety, ensuring the machine powers down when the tank is full, which adds to its energy efficiency. The versatility of this purifier is further highlighted by its flexible installation options. Whether you choose to mount it on the wall or keep it on the countertop, the QUA-D Pure seamlessly fits into any kitchen design. The included installation kit and warranty card guarantee hassle-free setup, making transition to cleaner water smooth and efficient. Moreover, the built-in TDS adjuster allows you to customize the taste of your water based on its source, ensuring that every sip is as refreshing as it is beneficial. Picture the delightful flavor enhancement as you easily switch between hydration options, tailored precisely to your preferences. All these features converge to create an unparalleled drinking experience, transforming ordinary water into a vital source of health.